What's up, guys? I'm Rob Darden, and this is my Guerra bike check. So right now we got the Guerra Triad frame, 21-inch top tube, and currently riding this frame until my signature frame comes out. I'm definitely a fan of the internal seat post clamp. I seriously have tightened my seat up once and it's never moved. And I definitely like the Guerra emblem where it's placed, and everything just is clean. That's exactly what I look for in a bike, simple and clean. Next we have the Bane forks, Guerra Bane forks. Premium sub 10 stem with Shadow Voltus bars, a Tech 77 lever, ODI grips, premium seat post, Ezra cranks, 175mm with Eastern plastic pedals, Shadow half-link chain, and then for the wheels I have a premium light front wheel and just a stock premium back wheel with a 9-tooth driver. I have demolition brakes and Shadow little one pegs, and my front tire is a KHE dirt tire and the back tire is a Revenge Industry 195. I like that old school feel, the small tire back, big tire in the front. I run an Animal sprocket. It's a 27 tooth. I like the 27.9. Forget who showed me this back in the day, but I run a tire in between the bottom bracket and the sprocket, and this just creates some friction so your cranks don't spin around doing no-footed tricks or tail whips or anything like that, and works great. Say hi to the camera. Hi. What do you say? No way.